Guys, welcome to my channel. Today our topic is ClickFunnels pricing 2022. ClickFunnels review and ClickFunnels official site. Welcome to ClickFunnels.com. Now we can review about ClickFunnels website in 2022. ClickFunnels pricing, what you need to know. ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels pricing. ClickFunnels claims their platinum plan is worth more of 4-year college education. Founder Russell Brunson actually gives the student permission to drop out school. One of his many videos and that 3,540 a year, that would indeed reflect to the actual. I came across ClickFunnels reviewing sales funnel software, and you have to have not entirely. Table of content, ClickFunnels pricing summary. How much is ClickFunnels and what does it include? ClickFunnels free trial, ClickFunnels legit, ClickFunnels alternatives, ClickFunnels pricing summary. So how does ClickFunnels cost? Well, in nutshell, you are looking paying $97 per month for 20 sale ClickFunnels, 100 landing pages in 3 domain, 297. How much ClickFunnels and what does it? Price $97 per month. ClickFunnels Platinum $297 per month. You can see our article, and now you can see this website, ClickFunnels official website. Now we can go ClickFunnels official website, and you can see create your account, start your free trial now. ClickFunnels. We also include the digital edition of ClickFunnels Hackers. Start building my first funnel. You can see the website is really good and amazing. ClickFunnels.com through sales fund. Member login also available. ClickFunnels website is really good website for you. You build a ClickFunnels, what you need to know. ClickFunnels pricing. ClickFunnels claim that is platinum plan. ClickFunnels pricing summary and much more. You can see ClickFunnels builder option, launch page, everything in this ClickFunnels free trial. 14-day free trial you will have to them. 40 days you can free trial. And hope you like our video. Please subscribe our channel. Also press the bell icon button. You never miss any update from our channel. Thanks for watching.